Sorry, it's been a little while since the last video. This past week I've just been sort of traversing the whole front range of Colorado. Started off in Colorado Springs where I shot the last video, and it actually snowed there one morning, which was pretty crazy for this time of year. I just woke up in the parking lot and there was like a good inch of snow on the ground. Anyway, left there, drove up to Denver a few days ago, stayed the night there with a friend. Left Denver the following morning and came up here to Boulder where I am now, staying with some more family friends. And my plan for tomorrow is to wake up super early in the morning and drive about an hour up to Rocky Mountain National Park, where I'm going to meet up with this guy named Morgan, who knows the area super well. I think we're just going to do a fun hike to a pretty awesome alpine lake and hopefully catch the sunrise there. Oh, and before this video really begins, thanks for 1,000 subscribers, guys. That's awesome. Let's just keep going.
All right, let me try this one more time. Hi, my name's Morgan. We're hiking up to... I'm so tired.
Apparently we went the wrong way. Is this the main trail again?
Not quite. I think this is the connection trail.
Okay, we'll make it there soon though. We've run on a trail now, and there's just snow that's really punchy, so we don't have too far to go, but we're trying to make our way up in this very deep, steep snow. Still got some time though. Yeah. Starting to get good. I'm totally freezing. Not exactly in the best spot to shoot.
So this was all, like this whole area, that snow, was all like all the way down to dirt 2 weeks ago, and it had to have gone up by about a foot by now.
We got freezing up there. Came back down here to this other little lake where the sun's out and it's a lot warmer.
And less windy.
That too.
To Red Meadow this year. No.
Finish up with a hike now. We didn't really spend too much time trying to get good shots. We made it to the little frozen over lake up there by sunrise, as you saw, but we were pretty underprepared. Our feet were just totally freezing, so we spent about 10 minutes just taking some kind of snapshots around the lake, which were still super pretty, and for a first time in the park, it was really cool. Now I'm just following him down to a donut shop that he says is really good, so can't can't wait for that.
They're like a giant mess.
It's called a pine cone. Donuts were pretty delicious, but I'm so tired. I just drove up here to Fort Collins and probably napped for a little bit. I was only planning on doing just kind of one little photo outing in Rocky Mountain National Park, but it seems like a super cool place, so I think I'm just gonna stay a couple extra days and maybe do another sunrise hike or something. Hopefully I'll be a little bit more prepared this time. Get some warmer layers. Also, if you guys are not following Morgan yet, link to his Instagram in the description, so go check his stuff out. It's pretty sweet. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't yet, and I will see you guys in the next video, probably here again.